For our galaxy background, we're going to create on watercolor paper. You can see this bluey, glittery background paper. That's what we're going to create today. If you have a piece of bigger, thick card than I have here, then that would work perfectly fine as well. But for today, I've got a piece of A3 watercolor background paper. I have some painter's tape. You can use washi tape. I'm going to be using liquid watercolor paints that are just here, and these look like this. They're in a jar. They're called washable watercolors. If you don't have liquid watercolor paints, then your watercolor paint palette is perfectly fine. I am going to be using a medium flat brush. I have some clear glue. I have some glitter. I've got some salt and my water jar. That is all we need. Let's get started. Why don't you grab some clear glue? If you don't have this, don't worry. You don't have to add this effect, but let me just show you what happens. I'm going to squeeze a really thin little trail of this glue all over. Can you see the glue kind of repelling the watercolor? I'm also going to get a little bit of salt. This is just table salt from your kitchen, and sprinkle this over. Just a little bit. Okay, that's plenty. This salt is going to create these little bloom effects once it's dry. The very last step is if you want to add a little bit of glitter, just kind of shake it on top of the glue trail. We don't want too much glitter, but a little bit of sparkle is kind of nice in our galaxy. Okay, you know what? You have finished the first step of our collage. We're going to put this away to dry and move on to the next step, which is our planet paper.